Hello guys, this is Azhar. In this video, I'll teach you how to start a recruitment consultancy. So let's start. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how you can start your own recruitment consultancy even if you have no experience running a business or less experience. So who this video is for? So this video is perfect for anyone who wants to start their own business and work independently. This is good for someone who has experience in recruitment or HR and they want to build on their knowledge, or they are having a desire to run their own recruit or start or run their own recruitment consultancy. And if you are looking like this is for someone who's looking for a low cost business with high profit potential, then you should consider starting a recruitment consultancy. Now, what is a recruitment consultancy? A recruitment consultancy is a service business where you help companies find and hire qualified candidates. Suppose in any company, if they are having the requirement of accountant, so if they are not having the team, or their team, like recruitment team, is not efficient enough to find that accountant, then they will think about outsourcing that requirement to the recruitment consultancy. Then the recruitment consultancy job is to search the candidates and help them close that position. So, how does a recruitment consultancy earn money? They typically earn a fee each time they successfully place a candidate in a job. You will earn a percentage, or you will earn a fixed fee after your candidate joins the company. This model works across all industries from tech to healthcare to finance. Most of like all the companies are in need of one candidate or other candidate for the for the company. So why start a recruitment consultancy? So first, the startup cost is very low. You can often work from home using just a laptop and a phone. Second, the earning potential is very high. One placement can easily earn you thousands of dollars or rupees or dirhams. Third is you can have flexible working hours. You can set your own schedule, except when you want to call a candidate or a client, then it should be in the working hours of that person or the company. You cannot call them in any other hours. Otherwise, other than calling, you can do all the work according to your flexible working time. Finally, you can work from anywhere, which will give you a lot of freedom. You just need a Wi-Fi, a SIM card, like it should have a roaming if you are traveling internationally. You should have a mobile phone and a laptop. So good internet connection, good phone, good laptop, and a SIM card can help you start your own recruitment consultancy. And you can work from anywhere. So the step one is choose your niche. This is one of the most important step. So you can specialize in tech roles, healthcare professionals, finance experts, or sales positions. Or you can become expert in construction industry or real estate industry or any industry. Choosing one niche will help you stand out and become expert really faster, since you will be working on that specific industry or on that specific role. Then it will help you understand that role and that industry really easily. Then set up your business. So you can register your company. First is like for setting up your business, you can register your company legally. So you can invoice clients and operate properly. You can consult with the CA or a legal advisor in your country and decide which type of company you should register for starting a recruitment consultancy and what other documents are required. So the second point is create basic contract for your services which protect you and set clear terms. So you can make contract that you will use to send it to a client or a lead. So the basic contract will protect you with future legal troubles, and it can help you protect your fees. And you can also make one basic contract. Some countries require this basic contract, which will be between consultancy and the candidate. So you can think about making two basic contracts and set up your business email and a simple website. You can create a simple website. You can purchase a domain from GoDaddy or from Wix, and then you can create a simple website using Wix or some other platform, and you can purchase a business email. I will highly recommend that do not use @gmail.com or @yahoo.com. Purchase your own business email like @yourcompanyname.com. Then third step 3 is build a candidate database. So initially it is not required. You can start finding searching for candidates on LinkedIn using, or you can use job boards like Indeed or Naukri, or you can ask for referrals in your initial days. When you will start receiving resumes from candidate, at that moment you can start building candidate database. You can write their details in some spreadsheet, or you can use simple CRM so that you can use your own database to search candidates in future. Otherwise you just need LinkedIn, or you can use job boards like Indeed, Naukri, or you can ask for references. Then step 4 is find clients. You can begin by searching out to companies, like searching companies on LinkedIn to see if they need help. You can reach out to CEO or head HR or talent acquisition head of the company and ask them like if they are looking for any recruitment services. Then you can also reach out to clients or leads via email. Cold emails are one of the most powerful tools. You can send them email and ask them if they are looking for recruitment services. Use your personal network. Like many first deals come from people you already know. So you can ask your relatives, your colleagues, or your friends that if they require any help related to recruitment, or the company in which they are working, does that company require any recruitment help? Also look at job ads posted by companies. You can check the job ads posted by companies on Indeed, on Naukri.com, or on LinkedIn, and then contact the head HR or CEO of that company asking if they need any help to fill that specific requirement. So, step 5 is deliver quality services. So, first is screen all candidates carefully to ensure they are good fit for the role, and then only share those resumes with the client. So first, after you get the resume, then call the candidate and check whether that candidate is matching with the job description or the requirement of the client. Then keep clear and regular communication with both clients and candidates throughout the process. Ask the client regularly about the feedback of candidates, or when they are looking to interview the candidates, or you can follow up with the candidate whether he is going for the interview or not, or whether he's interested in the role or not, and you can even follow up with them on the interview day whether they are going for the interview or not. So keeping clear and regular communication can help you. And the third one is act quickly. Speed is very important in recruitment, and moving fast helps you secure more placement. So what will happen if you will delay sharing the resumes with the client? Then it is possible client might be working with different recruitment consultant. Then the other consultant might share the resumes faster than you. So you will lose your chance of closing if that candidate shared by other recruitment consultant get closed. So increase your speed, share resumes faster. And if you want the full system, if you would like to learn my entire process step by step, I've created a complete course. So inside you will get ready-made templates, contracts and scripts. You will also learn proven strategies to find clients and fill roles consistently. So check the link in the description to get started, or I'll attach the link here. You can click here and you can purchase the course. Then the step 6 is invoice and scale. Once you have successfully placed a candidate, then send an invoice to your client and collect your fee. Sometimes you can share the invoice after the candidate has accepted the offer, or you can send the invoice after the candidate has joined the company. It depends what is mentioned in your contract which you have signed before starting the work. Track your revenue and marketing efforts so you know what's working and what is not working, and change it accordingly. And as you grow, consider hiring sales guys or recruiters to help you scale your recruitment consultancy. Common mistakes to avoid. One common mistake is trying to serve every industry instead of focusing on a niche. Another is not following up consistently with clients and candidates. Communication is everything. So keep on following with the client and candidate. And don't rely on job boards only. Combine them with proactive outreach. Don't work with bad clients if they are not replying properly to you, or if they are calling the candidate or talking to the candidate behind your back, or taking the joining of the candidate behind your back. Then immediately stop working with them. It's of no use to working with the bad clients. You can put your efforts in searching for new good client than to work with the bad client. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to check the description for the link to the course. See you next video. Bye.